Seanapps is the connected application of the Groupe Beneteau. We launched it in 2019 with our partner Saint Marine. Seanapps connects the boat owner with his boat, his dealer and the brand in order to ease the life with the boat, especially regarding maintenance and services all along the life of the boat. Today, all the brands within the BATEAU group are equipped with Seanapps, which means 128 boat models equipped with the system as a standard. Seanapps is also connected to the whole dealer network around the world, which means 500 professionals worldwide. And we expect to reach more than 20,000 connected boats in the next 5 years with Seanapps. For the next 5 years, Seanapps has 3 ambitions. The first one, being part of the VISE sustainable program, we want to help boat owners to reduce their impact on the environment. Second ambition is to support the rollout of boat club among the Beneteau Group environment. And the third ambition is to extend the Seanapps to the whole marine ecosystem, including new boat and used boat, since Seanapps can be equipped on any kind of boat, no matter type or age.